Hello friends, I have just been given a gift, and this gift is one of the greatest gifts one could receive, and it is this. It is the core of an apple. Okay? Bear with me. The core of the apple. And so, in this core, there are seeds. Organic, life-giving seeds. Seeds that want to grow and want to live in accordance with nature. And so these seeds will be given back to the earth. They will not be thrown away into a bin or disposed of in a way that does not serve nature. For I eat the fruit from the tree. I took the fruit from the tree. The fruit did not fall from the tree and rot and become part of the earth again and grow another tree. I destroyed that. I took away that process by taking the apple myself. So it is my duty, it is upon me to sow the seed. Do you understand the message here? Okay? And in return, I will receive. I will receive the universe, the nature. It will give back. It will give life. In return for giving me life and giving the other animals life. The natural world is a reciprocal thing. We as a race are tainting this reciprocation. We are defying the very fundamentals of the natural world. And so the karmic energy affects us all on a global scale. We will suffer until we give back what we take. Do you understand? Do you understand? Love, light and peace.